Hey everyone! How many times have you come across a new app or feature and wondered if you should jump in before it's too late? Well, last night something massive happened that might just be your next opportunity. Binance, one of the biggest crypto exchanges, officially launched its own bot on Telegram. And let me tell you, this isn't just any bot. This is Binance we're talking about. They've even announced it on their official support page, which means it's the real deal, not just rumors flying around. But why is this such a big deal? Imagine one of the most trusted platforms in the crypto world diving into Telegram bots. It's like they're setting the stage to dominate this space. This could be one of the most powerful bots we've seen yet. And here's the best part. The bot is still new, so there's time to get in early and take advantage of all the features before it becomes too crowded. Now, you might be thinking, what's so special about this bot? Is it worth my time? Well, let me walk you through it. First off, it's from Binance, so you know it's safe, reliable, and secure. The bot itself is super easy to use. No complicated steps, just a few taps, and you're in. But before we jump into the details, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you'll find the link in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now, we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month, and we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. All right? Now let's talk about the bot itself. When Binance launched the bot, I got a ton of messages from people saying it wasn't working for them. If you're having trouble opening it through the link, here's what you do. Tap on the bot name at the top, and you'll see a Open App button. Tap on it. If it's still not opening, try restarting your Telegram app. And if that doesn't work, remember that this bot is brand new, and there's a massive number of people trying to use it at the same time. So give it a moment, and soon enough, you'll be able to get in. Once inside, the interface is super straightforward. You'll see options like Play Game, Invite Friends, and more. Let's break these down one by one. First, if you tap on the Binance option on the left, it'll prompt you to download the Binance app and verify your account. This step is crucial if you're not already using Binance. Remember, Binance is a fully regulated platform, so there's no risk. After linking your Binance account to the bot, you'll have access to a variety of features. But here's a critical thing to keep in mind. Once you link your account, you won't be able to unlink it for 30 days. So, make sure you're ready before hitting that button. Now, onto the fun stuff, inviting friends. For every friend you invite, you'll earn 10% of their rewards, and they'll get 1,000 free points just for joining. It's a win-win for both of you. The tasks in the bot are super easy, like sharing a campaign to your story. I did it earlier, and my points shot up in no time. But here's what really caught my eye, the game inside the bot. You tap on Play Game, and a claw machine-like interface appears. You click, and the claw drops to collect points. It's easy and kind of addictive, but watch out for the cables. If the claw grabs one, you'll lose points. I was doing well until I hit one and dropped from 65 points to 55. The game is fun, but it does have a frustrating side. You only get 6 attempts every hour, which kind of forces you to keep checking back. Personally, I'd prefer a bit more flexibility, but hey, that's how they keep you engaged. So what's the takeaway here? This bot is a game changer. It's backed by Binance, and if you play your cards right, you could really benefit from it. It's still early days, which means now is the time to dive in, get familiar, and make the most of it before the crowd catches up. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.